Okay guys, we have the end welded on. Well, it's not welded, it's tacked on. Got some tacks on here on the ribs, so I'm going to call the ribs. So this is kind of what it looks like. This is going to be a little bit shorter because this comes out to maybe about maybe a quarter inch past this rib. That's all. So that's where we are. Our next step is, guys, is down here. I gotta cut openings for these. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you see a little plasma cutting. I hopefully have the camera away at a safe distance. It's over here. So if the pile will follow me, hopefully it will. Okay. The pile's auto zooming. The GoPro doesn't do that. So it's going to be from a distance, and I don't want to spray the camera with sludge from the plasma cutter. Now I got this set up already where I want it. Alright, so that's going to fall on the ground. I put the board over there to try to dampen the fall. Hopefully no toes get involved. We don't want any toes involved. Alright guys, let's see, you gotta get my ground done. Don't cut with the dart without the ground. This piece is for the part you mount the cutting edge to. Yeah, I'm wearing my baseball cap, so this is not going to stay on me either. Alright, here we go guys. I got my fence up. Here we go, we're going to blast her. See, no toes involved. Now this is a hypertherm plasma cutter, so it's blast here to try to save the consumables. The cheap ones don't do that. Pretty straight. So, alright guys, I just wanted to show you the plasma cutter in action there. Now I gotta cut this piece like this. They give me my 2 1/4 for my piece. I have to drill 5/8 holes in. That's a joy. Just to let you know that. So, okay, I'll catch you in a little bit, guys. Okay, guys, this is Period Details Retail. Working on the plow, right? Okay, so when I plasma cutted this piece of metal gave me a bow. So what I'm doing now is I've heated it up on the back side. This was up like almost an 1/8 inch in the center bow. So I almost got it flat, and once it cools, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. I think it's pretty good. I mean, it might be a 1/16 of an inch, but that's, for my tolerance, that'll be pretty good for me, guys. So then I can start drilling the holes in it. Over here, we got it welded up. I put the holes in. I painted the back side with a weldable primer. Then I painted it with an enamel. So those will be welded in the back side of the plow on the back side here. I sprayed that and did the same thing. So those are going to go on, get welded up. This one's not rusting from the inside out. It's going to rust from the outside in. We're going to make it do that. So, all right. So that's where we are right now, guys.